What's up, guys? So this is how to install a double din / double din kit in your 94 Camaro. I already took the liberty of taking everything apart, but I will tell you where everything is, just so you know. So let's start over here. So there's either going to be one or two 7mm bolts. They look about like that. Everything is 7mm, stupidly, but yeah. So you got two over there, and then you're gonna come over here, and you're gonna have one about like right here. It's right there, and then you're gonna have another one right here under the air vent on the left side, about right there. Take that out, and coming back over here, you're gonna have your stock dash. You're gonna have that connected over here. Oh shit, let me see. Right here and down there. And then I think there's another one somewhere. Yeah, right here. Right under the rear window defroster. Right there. And then on the bottom of the panel, there should be another one down here. I'm not seeing it right now. But it might be connected to something else. But yeah, once you get all that, I left mine hanging right here because I didn't want to take that out, break the clip. Everything with old cars, their fucking plastic is brittle as fuck. So I didn't want to screw with that. So here's all my bolts. Here's the radio that I'm installing. It's a Pioneer AVH 120BT, I think. Yeah. AVH 120BT. I also got the backup camera all hooked up. I have a video on my TikTok, and I also have it on my Instagram reel. I'll also post it eventually, but how to do that. But here's the dash kit that I bought off eBay. It was around like 34 something dollars. I'll have the link to that in my description. It comes with side mounts, which is cool. So you can hook it up and have it set properly. So let me just get it halfway installed, and I'll just continue from there. Alright, we got the radio in there, sort of. Just had to use some screws and bolts that were laying around. But yeah, got it in there, works, tested it. So let's go put this guy on now. So, here's what it looks like with all of the screws back in. Looks pretty factory if you ask me. Looks pretty good. Got all the screws back in. Nothing out of place. Looks pretty damn good. Let's just start it up, see if everything is good. All the connections are good. Perfect. Let's just go to the radio.
It's a really big topic right now,
Perfect.
not only in our county, but across the state. You want to talk about it a little bit?
Yeah, so the dairy margin.
Okay. Just turn that off. I don't get copyrighted. See if my backup camera works. Perfect. There's my 89 Camaro. Alright. Sweet.